If you like these videos, follow, like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you. So are you single?
It's complicated.
That usually means no.
You really want to know?
You started it. You can answer it.
It's nothing. It's complicated.
Okay, good for you. We shall see.
I need your help. I don't even know which one to choose anymore. They're all different, but they're all great. We can't make that decision for you. But whatever you do, decide quickly. Amina!
Don't say anything. I'll make it easy for you. Just leave me alone.
Amina, can we just talk?
No. So, how are things with you and Saad? You still talk to him? No, I thought he picked you. I haven't heard from him in weeks. Why do I suddenly feel like Said is up to something? Because he definitely is. Should we follow him? I was literally thinking the same thing. There he is. Why is he dressed like that? Because he's guilty. You brought binoculars? I had a feeling. You are actually insane. Shh, shh. He's coming outside. Safiya, he's on one knee. No. Men are terrifying. I knew he was evil. This is why I don't trust men. I can't believe this. We never stood a chance. She's beautiful. Men only marry for looks. We never stood a chance. Honestly, respectfully, she's beautiful. Annoyingly beautifully.
Layla, marry me.
Seed, as much as I want to say yes, I can't decide something this big this quickly. Please, give me time.
Okay.
As much as I'd like to say yes, I can't make a decision this quickly. Give me some time. I'll call you. Bye, Saad. Why did I say that? But I barely know him. Can I actually trust him? Wait, I still ask about the gold. I need to figure out what my dowry would even be. Have I made a mistake? I need a holiday. Calling Somali airline flight FY102 to Dubai, now boarding at gate 6.
Welcome to the United Arab Emirates. I hope you enjoy your holiday.
I've called Layla more than 10 times. She's not picking up.
Hey Sid, sorry I was on a flight. I came to Dubai for a few days to clear my mind. I'll call you later. Let's go shopping. Hello, Saad.
Layla, are you actually in Dubai? When did you go?
I needed a holiday and wanted to do some shopping. Is everything okay?
Okay, have made your decision about us yet?
Okay, but you have to buy me 20,000 worth of gold.
Yes, you can have anything you would like and pay for the wedding.
This is the new design. I have this as a full set.
Okay. This is beautiful. It's for my wedding. Can I see this one, please?
Yes, of course. This is the new design.
I can't believe I came here for a holiday and I'm now shopping for my wedding.
Hello, Layla. How was the shopping?
I bought a lot for the wedding, but I am tired. I'm going to sleep. My flight is really early in the morning. Hey, Saad.
I missed you.
It was only a few days.
Longest few days of my life.
I can't believe this is really happening.
Sada Bukhar, do you take Layla Islau as your wife? I do.
وهويدي يا هيبلي وهويدي يا هوللي وهويدي يا هيبلي وهويدي يا هوللي وهويدي يا هيبلي وهويدي يا هوللي وهويدي.
Layla, do you now believe you're my wife?
Not yet.
You will feel it soon.
That's it. I can do the rest myself, thank you.
Enough already.
I should send this to Amina.
Seriously?
Did you see the video? They got married. I can't believe it.
It's done now. You have to move on. Men are like this.
I don't think I can get over it. I am heartbroken.
Safia, just focus on your work and yourself. I'm at work. I'll call you later. Hey, I'm just calling back. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I can't keep Saeed out of my mind. I don't know what to do.
I have not been able to sleep or eat for weeks now. I have not been able to work, and I don't know how he has done this to me. Tell me, please, what can I do?
Listen to me. Go, have a shower, pray to God, and also promise me that you're going to go to work tomorrow. Don't let anyone control your life. Okay.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.
The doctor is coming. We have also called your husband. He is coming now. Hey, Layla, I am Dr. Shayama. I am your surgeon for today.
Layla, listen to me carefully. Your heart rate and the baby's heart rate are dropping very quickly. We need to take you in for an emergency C-section right now. Our team is going to do everything we can for both of you, but we need to move fast.
Where is my wife?
Maya here will get you prepped for the operating room.
But my husband. Where is my husband?
Where is my wife?
Said, we need to get you into scrubs now. Your wife and baby are fine, but we need to get you in there now. We don't have time.
Pressure's dropping. We need more suction. Get anesthetics in here now.
Move, move.
Clamp.
Heart rate falling.
If you like these videos, follow, like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you.